Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be comparing Affinity and Gimp to see if which one is the best graphic design for you. So let's start with the price. So Affinity starts at $69. This is one-time payment only, so that means you can have this premium for life. While the Gimp, it is free forever. So on this one, I think Gimp is the best one. So for the ease of use, Affinity, this is a beginner-friendly application. This is really great for the beginners. So for Gimp, this has steep learning curve. So if you are new or if you're a beginner, this is really not for you. Now for the features, let's talk about that. For the Affinity, it has pro-grade tools, while the Gimp, it has extendable plugins. So I think on this one, it's just a tie, but it really depends on what you need and what you want, and also for the budget. So the winner is the Affinity for pros and the Gimp for budget. So both are great Photoshop alternatives, so it really depends on what you need and what you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!